Transform your Minecraft worlds into scholarly havens with the versatile Lectern. Today, we're diving into how to craft this essential building block perfect for displaying enchanted books or adding a touch of sophistication to your builds. To get started, you'll need a few readily available materials. First, gather for wood planks of any type: oak, spruce, birch. It all works the same for the Lectern. Next, you'll need one book. Remember, this is the crafted book, made from sugar cane and leather, not the enchanted book you might get from enchanting. Now, let's head to your crafting table. The recipe is quite straightforward. Place your 4 wood planks in a 2x2 square in the top 2 rows of the crafting grid. This will fill the 6 available slots in the top and middle rows. Then, take your single book and place it directly in the middle slot of the bottom row of the crafting grid. And just like that, you've successfully crafted a Lectern. You can now take your new Lectern and place it wherever you desire. This block is fantastic for setting up reading nooks, creating decorative displays in libraries, or even for interactive builds where villagers can read from them. Whether you're building an epic library or a cozy study, the Lectern is a simple yet incredibly useful addition to your Minecraft arsenal. Happy building!